Assalamualaikum. Here I'm discussing about the fertilization and its type, its mechanism. Fertilization is the fusion of gametes, also called syngamy. Process can be external and can be internal. There is a haploid sperm and a haploid egg. When they both fuse, then the zygote is formed, which is a diploid. Here I show a mechanism. In first of all, you see that the sperm comes close to the egg. Sperm and egg fuse, and their fusion is just like a lock and key fashion, that is a species specific. Capacitation is a process by which the sperm become able to fertilize egg. Egg releases fertilizing that interact with the anti-fertilizing of the sperm of same species. This helps to recognize the egg and sperm to each other. Sperm produces sperm lysine, which is an enzyme produced by acrosome, which is present in the head of the sperm, that helps the sperm to dissolve egg core so that the sperm can penetrate. And after penetration, the sperm nucleus moves into the cytoplasm of the egg nucleus, where both of the nuclei fuse. After the fusion, egg become activated, and during egg activation, egg produces a fertilization membrane. This membrane helps that no other sperms can enter the egg, so that it prevents the multi-fertilization process. And also during this, there is some ionic changes in the egg cytoplasm. This will also prevent the multi-fertilization. And then egg prepare itself for the cleavages. As I told earlier that the fertilization is either external or internal. In case of external, both the gametes are released into the environment, and that environment is water aquatic, means water. This type of fertilization present in the fishes, amphibians, and all the organisms which are usually present in the water. And as you know that during external fertilization, as most of the gametes are wasted because of the water currents and because of the enemies, because of the other environmental conditions, so the organism must have to produce lot of gametes to release so that it can be maximum chances of their fusion and maximum chances of the zygote formation. There is advantages of the external fertilization. There is no need of parental care, and there is no need of protection layers around the egg. So the whole development takes place within the water. So there is no need of any uh, extra embryonic layers which are needed in case of reptile, birds, and mammals. And male does not need any organ for the insertion of gametes to the female body, except in case of sharks. They have a modified fin for the transfer of gametes to the female body. And there is the chances of fertilization, they are enhanced by the courtship display. uh, these displays are shown not only by fishes but also by mammals, by reptiles, by birds, and these behaviors help them to identify their respective mates, and there is no need of energy. But the disadvantage is that the chances of their mating is very rare, very less, but still they try to do this by using their courtship display, and both the members of the same species at the same time, they should be present. For that they make courtship behavior. In case of internal fertilization, the male gametes are transferred to the female reproductive tract. For that, they use certain organs, and such organs are called intermittent organs or the copulatory organs. We will discuss it in the later chapters.